Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create Chun-Li on Dress to Impress. Let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove everything first. I'm just going to also remove this because we're going to be doing some extra accessory adjustments. For the hair, I used these bangs as well as this bang too. And then I did this hair, these two buns of course. Where is it? Where is it? Alright, and then I used this dress from the Chinese New Year event. And I colored it white and this blue color for a 690 and this gold color. Then I used this because if I use the leggings, they will be see-through. I did turn off feet for this and I just selected the same color, made it a little bit darker. Then I selected the socks and I just colored it the color of like my skin tone here. Then I just use heels because we don't have flat shoes in Dress to Impress yet. I'm hoping for that to come soon. And then this is optional, but I'm just going to add this for like the backdrop. You'll see later what I mean. And I use the ocean pattern. And then I'm just going to go here to the Valentine's Day update and I'm just going to color this blue the same and then the same gold that I use as well for the bracelet. Alright, and then what else did I use? Oh, I used this for like the water effect. Oh my god, I really want to sneeze. Sorry. Sorry. I'm so sorry. I use that for like water, for like the water effect, I guess. And then this as well, just a veil though. And I used the same pattern as well for that. Alright, so this could only be this big, which is okay if you wanted to just like stick to that scale. But if you wanted to make it bigger, you can just save the outfit first like this. And then like when you like wear it again, you can make it bigger. Like you have to wear it again, sorry. So wear it again and then you can now make the length, like the scale bigger. I'm just going to move it down more a little bit and get it a little bit closer to model. I might rotate it too. So it looks like the water is there. Pretty cool. Maybe not too much. Maybe like that. So it looks weird from the back, but it looks nice from the front. And that is how you can create Chun-Li on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.